Hey guys, today I have with me the OPPO Reno7 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OPPO Reno7 5G has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker and SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OPPO Reno7 5G comes with a 64-megapixel triple camera setup with OPPO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. OPPO Reno7 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 256GB. OPPO Reno7 5G offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt Super Whoop charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 32-megapixel front camera. The software version of the OPPO Reno7 5G is Android 11 with ColorOS. So guys, that's it for OPPO Reno7 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.